Actually, no, you've done that plenty of times, so.
Here, catch this too.
I didn't get a scar because of it. So baby-like.
What is it?
I freaking hate you.
Oh, you butthole. I was about to get my hit. Let me get my hit. Spy mission.
I didn't even got a scar about it.
Oh yeah, I did too. It's very hard to see though, but like, here you go. Come on, go get my hat.
Yeah. That was my ball.
Well, go get my hat first.
I can't move.
Get it. Down below. Get my booty down below.
Here.
Catch. Like you
Now it's gonna get. Why am I doing this challenge?
As you want to make me stop eating Doritos for 1 month.
Year.
Yeah. Okay. I'll take it. Catch. I'm kidding. Catch. I said legs off the thing.
Puppy.
Ooh. Oh, you didn't catch it. I'm kidding.
Puppis.
You suck.
I got a boner.
What did you just say?
I put. That doesn't count. You win all right.
Spy mission, Darren. Yeah.
Then has that hydration.
Hurry, pass it over. Hurry, pass it over.
I just really want to get all these stupid cops.
Ooh.
Oh,
Should I count it? You're ready. Okay, I let you go. You're lucky. You got a small arm, so you got lots of space to move. Mine is literally attached. I can't. Look how red that is. Oh, for gross.
I really want to get all these stupid
This
cops.
may even go on for like hours. Come on, do it.
I'm doing my exercises. Boing. That's the end. It bounced. It went up in the air and it bounced and I caught it.
Oof.
I'm itchy.
Oh.
I'm very itchy.
Oh.
I'm itchy.
Oh. Catch.
You're sucking. So, almost it.
Ooh.
I just want to itch my leg.
Scratch.
Ah,
Give me that ball.
you're pushing me. Ow.
Give me back. Oh, Matthew, we need the ball.
I am not letting you have it.
You're not.
You never.
Matthew, come on, you have
No,
to.
Dino, I love my nuts. AKA my nuts from my door. Make the family sound.
Follow me.
And you'll
Because
see.
if you don't, you automatically lose because we have to play the game. Oh, come
I
on.
just want to play games on my phone.
How are we going to win at games on your phone?
Dino, we just have to like annoy each other. Blah blah blah. And that's how you get me.
Hey!
That's the end.
Catch.
I can't even catch it.
Catch.
That's your fault. That's your fault.
Catch. Okay, this game's getting boring, so we'll do number one.
Can't we just do games on a
No.
How about you and
Okay, guys, how about this? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and whoever the loser has to take off their handcuffs.
Oh, no.
We have to.
Oh, come on. No, please. No, please.
Come on.
Can we do like tic-tac-toe? Tic-tac-toe?
No.
Please. Like tic-tac-toe with rocks? Please. Fine. There's no point. I'm just gonna lose. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2 out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot.
2 out of 3. So now you get to pick the next game. Ow! My hat. Pick the next game.
Tic-tac-toe.
Okay, so we're gonna play no, that's too fast.
No, not bud. It's well. Guess what? Guess what? That game. What is it called again?
A 2.
What is it? What is it? Well, not tic-tac-toe, but the game we just played. I forget it.
What? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes, I forgot it for some reason.
He's dumb boy.
Shut up. So we gotta get some rocks. And then we play tic-tac-toe. We got some rocks, make a tic-tac-toe board, and then we play tic-tac-toe. Okay, guys, let's get ready to rumble. Have an ultimate tic-tac-toe. You have to get 3 in a row, but there's 4. How about connect 4, but it's crappy. What are we gonna do?
Trivia questions.
No, please.
And I'll give you
What's
3.
the capital of Ohio? Texas has Austin. You're like, what's the capital of Texas?
That would be too easy. Okay,
Oh,
so
you're supposed to.
the only way you fail is if you get 1 out of 3 right. If you get 2 or more, 2 or 3 of them correct, you pass. But if you only get 1 right,
And then you know
you're
what
out.
I'm gonna
1
do.
or 0.
You know
you're out.
what I'm gonna do if I win?
Okay, well, yeah, I guess you didn't win, so. Okay, get your hat on. Let's play. So, I'm gonna see the
Wait.
trivia questions.
But you can't do it hard.
Okay, I'm gonna go very, very hard. And by the way, you must have the answer to those questions. You can't be like, what is a bajillion times 125? 125 bajillion, but let's go. So you have to make it so you can actually answer the question. Okay. I am very, very smart, so I may be able to. Oh,
Oh no.
I got a good one.
What did I say? Trick.
Ooh, okay, what's the next one?
I don't think so. Hear me saying what's the capital of everything.
Okay. Okay, I'm next. I'm ready. You ready? I'll go first. What is the common... Wait, I forgot to read that question. Give me a second. Maxie?
Yep.
What is the common denominator of 4 A's and 2 Forbes?
What the heck? I can't answer that.
Try.
I don't know.
Try. How about this? We make it 4 questions. 4 like 2 like from 4 different options you can pick from. I'll give you a hint. No, I'm gonna give you the options. 4, 8, 12,
I'm gonna get this
or
incorrectly.
12.
He's gonna ask me
You have to answer 4, 8, 12, or 32. 4. No phone. No phone.
I'm doing it.
Well, if you do, then you automatically lose that question.
I can't do that.
Fine.
Even if I guess, you're gonna say I'm incorrect.
Well, you have to try. Just try.
A 4?
You were actually not that, but okay. You were so close, but you were wrong.
What was it?
It was 8 because look, 4 can go to 8, but 8 can't turn to 4 without getting minus. You can add 4 up to 8, and you can add 8 up to 8. So that's why it would be 8. And the actual answer for it would actually have to be 4 A's. 4 A's and 4 A's. So yeah, kind of sucks, don't it?
But I don't get that question wrong because you said try.
That has nothing to do with it. So you got that one wrong. So that's 1. You can get the other 2 right. So you can do this. The next one is pretty easy. What is the 10th nation of the world in the song Nations of the World? Sing it until you get to the 10th one.
Greenland.
Let me check myself. United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic Dominican, Cuba, Caribbean. Fine. What is the 7th?
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru.
Correct. Okay. You got 1 right. You need to get the last one right to win. Okay. Are you sure you're ready?
Yes.
I don't know if you are. What does MDAS stand for in mathematical problems? MDAS. Dad taught this to us.
What the
And I'll tell you, the last one, the last S, they all stand for something. And I'll tell you the last word. Sally.
My dear Aunt Sally.
Correct. So you got 2 out of 3 right. So you right. You are right. Okay, now you're my questions. Well, where's my question, bro?
I gotta think.
You should have had questions.
Look at this finger. I'm confused.
So it has to
How do
be
you
like. So you can't.
How do you spell Mario?
Capital Mario. Mario. Spelling bee. Oh, that's close. There's like burgers or hot dogs being like grilled or cooked.
Okay.
It smells so good, trust me. Come on. You got 2 out of 3, so you survived.
1. Okay, I have 1 more.
I got 1 right. I need to get another 1 right.
2 more.